Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to partition any drive in Windows 10 or Windows 11. So first of all, open up any folder, then go to this PC, or you can find my PC icon on the desktop. You need to right click on that. Now you need to click on manage. Okay, now it will open up this window. Small here. Now on the left hand side you can see storage, and under storage there is disk management. Okay, click on the disk management here. Now you can see the number of drives that you have, that is system result 500, C drives there, D drives there, E drives there. Okay, now I want to partition this E drive into two drives. Okay, so I will simply right click on this drive, then click on shrink volume. Okay, now you need to enter the amount of space that you want in your new drive. Okay, so suppose I want only around 25,000 MBs. Okay, then once you enter the amount, you can also see the amount of this E drive after the shrinking. Okay, so 25,000, click on shrink here. Now it has allocated 24.42 GBs has been this is unallocated right now. Okay, now again you need to right click on it, click on new sample volume, click on next. Okay, space MB, click on next, assign the letter, we will assign, okay, let it be G only, click on next, click on next, click on finish. Click on yes. However, it is giving that you won't be if you make it dynamic, you won't be able to install OS on this particular drive. Now you need to wait for a few seconds to few minutes. Okay, now you can see new volume G has been created. Now again we will go to the folder and we will see there is a G drive here, totally blank, formatted, and now you can use it. So this is how you can partition any drive on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 or Windows 7. So thank you for watching the video. Please like it and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.